Hi there, I'm Polina from Cutsun SVG. Welcome to my studio. Today I want to present you my new 2025 picture frame ornaments. So these are the two I expect to have more of the series. This is the raw version. Let me show you how they are assembled so you know, and if you want you can watch till the end of the video where and see how I paint and assemble them. But if you just want to know how to assemble them, let's do it right now. So this is the frame, this is the top layer, actually the top two layers, because we have the frame and some elements, some decorative elements. Oops. This is Santa, and this is a spacer. So if you want, this is an optional piece. If you're making this for yourself, you can either print or glue here the photo that you would like to have. You can of course change this text, these numbers here. You can put some text or name or whatever you want. And then this is the spacer. This is in case you want to make the ornament customizable by your customers. So you put this here, then you paint and glue and assemble the frame on top, and this becomes a customizable ornament that the customers can use to put their photo in here. So this is it. It's very simple. Let me move this. Just one note here, because for the elf, this is not, the spacer is not a whole piece, otherwise it would be visible here at the bottom. I have made it from two pieces, so you put this here, and the second piece you need to align it to this square here. So after you assemble it, it will fall under the frame. Okay, so this is the difference between the two ornaments. Let's start. I want to make this one so it can dry. Align it well to the layer with the frame, so it's not visible when you put it on the ornament, and leave aside to dry. And I will do the same here. As we said, for the elf, this is the spacer. Align this piece to the outer edge of the round, and at the same time to the side of this square, and this is the smaller spacer. Align it here to the bottom and to the right hand side of this square.